wallets come in many different sizes, shapes and colours, but they're usually made of leather or vinyl. I'm going to show you how to make a wallet out of something very simple, cardboard. 2 pieces of cardboard and some ribbons. It'll look like this. It's not only unusual in that it's made of simple materials, but also it's unusual because it's magic. Now if I open it up, you might say, it doesn't look very magic to me, but you wait and see what happens when I place in it a $2 note. I place the $2 note in it, and I could put it either under the yellow ribbons on the left or under the red ribbon on the right, and I'll choose that. There it is there. Now you're sure it's under the red ribbon on the right? Of course you are. I'll close the wallet and say the magic word, abracadabra, then I'll open the wallet and look what's happened. The $2 note has somehow or other gone to the left-hand side and tucked itself under the yellow ribbons. Well, you watch it very carefully this time. Where is it? On the left-hand side under the yellow ribbons. Keep watching it. We close the wallet, abracadabra, open it up again, and look what's happened. The $2 note has gone back to where it started, under the red ribbon on the right-hand side. Well, it's very easy to make this wallet. All you need is to have 2 pieces of cardboard, and they ought to be a little bit bigger than the notes that you're going to use to tuck away inside it, either dollar notes or $2 notes or anything else you like. And also you'll need some ribbons. Now the ribbons should be each about 5 centimetres wider than the cards themselves. So I'll cut that one there. I've already cut the other 2. I chose 2 yellows and 1 red, but you could choose any colours you like. There we are. Now comes the attachment of those ribbons to the cards. Now you can use any material you like, and you can use any attachment method that you like. I'm going to use a stapling machine. I could have used glue, but the stapler is quicker. So I place it in position and staple the red ribbon to the centre of one of the cards. Now with the yellow ribbons, they go towards the edges. So here's the first one, stapling machine in position, and ribbon is attached. Second ribbon, once again, towards one edge, stapling machine in position, and that's attached too. Now, you may have noticed in the original wallet that the red ribbon was on the right-hand side, so I'll fold that across and make that the right-hand side of my wallet, and then the yellow ribbons come across here, and that becomes the left-hand side of the wallet. What I need to do now is to attach that red ribbon underneath the centre of the other card, and then the 2 yellow ribbons underneath the centre of the right-hand card. So we'll fold that left-hand side across here, tuck the red ribbon around the corner, and hold it in position while I bring up the stapler and attach the red ribbon. Now the red ribbon is attached to both cards. Now we need to do the same sort of thing with the yellow ribbons. So we tuck them up and under the side of the other card, like this, hold it in position, and staple it. Then the second yellow ribbon, we do exactly the same thing with that, up towards the other end of the card, hold it in position, and the wallet is finished. Now you might well say, will it work as the first one worked? Well, that's a very good question. What we'll do is to hold it up here again, place the $2 note under the red ribbon on the right-hand side, close the wallet, say the magic word abracadabra, open it up, and sure enough it's under the yellow ribbons. Now nothing magic is happening, of course. What's happened is because I attach the ribbons in a certain way, the ribbons themselves are changing position. Have a look at this. If I look down the wallet like that and hold the 2 sides apart, you can see that the ribbons form a sort of an X shape. If I place my finger across the $2 note on the right-hand side like that, my finger won't change position without me knowing something about it, and so I then fold that across, and you can see what's happening. The note is staying still on the same piece of cardboard, my finger is staying still, but the ribbons are flopping over to the other side, and so is that other piece of cardboard there. So what was originally the left-hand side of the wallet becomes the right-hand side of the wallet. The note doesn't change position, the note doesn't go anywhere, but the ribbons change position and one side of the wallet flops over from left to right. You'll have a lot of fun making that wallet, and I'm sure you're going to amaze your friends.
I want to know. Curiosity.